Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw Bheem, Chota Bheem for all of you. So to this we are going to draw with the letter X, Y and Z. As you can already see that Y and Z I have already drawn, but X I am drawing with pencil so that we can rub it later. So let's get started. Just follow me step by step and you will draw a beautiful Chota Bheem very easily. Now join the two extreme ends of X and join like this, the way I am doing, to make the head. For face and hairs also we are using same X letter. Join it like I am doing to make it in a right proportion, and then at last we're gonna rub the letter X in the middle to make the face clean. Now join the last two ends to make a face round and beautiful. Now I am making the eyes, big round eyes, oval shaped eyes, and a small tika and small hairs in the top. Hey everyone, when you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Now I am outlining the whole picture. Do it like me, with me. For hands of Chhota Bheem, make two large U shape starting from the face and ending at the Y, tail of the Y, and then make pattern like this for hands. It's very simple and easy. If it is getting difficult for you, please stop the video and try it out by yourself. It's really easy. Now for the lower part of Bheem, now just draw one more straight line like I did and the other straight line, and then join the two ends like with a curve, and then draw 2 to 3 lines from the same point the way I am doing. Make a pattern of the dress that Chhota Bheem wear, and it's done. Now we are coloring the picture with the usual colors, that is orange dhoti and yellow bracelet. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to share the video with your little ones who really enjoy watching Chhota Bheem. They would love to draw this picture. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all again.